I have been using Bone brand on my first 3 designs. Now, let's take a similar color in Prismacolor and let's try to continue. So I'm starting with the medium intensity section again. You can see the tone of the pencil is slightly different, well actually quite different, because every company has own recipe, different ingredients, so the result is always different. But you can see the result, the tone is definitely more even than it is in Bone. The second section, and I have put too much pressure. That's not very good. I'm afraid it will be visible. Okay. And the third one, and so on. And now we are doing the triangles in between in the lightest possible shade. I hardly touch the paper, but you can see that my pencil leaves a mark. There is a tone, but it's a very, very gentle tone. And now I go to the darkest part, the star. And I have to say, maybe it's not visible, but it glides like butter. It's such a pleasure to use Prismacolor. It rolls on paper so easily, so wonderfully. But you also can see that my intense dark blue, well, which blue is it? It's cerulean. My intense cerulean blue is not much darker than the medium tone. It is a little bit darker, but nowhere near as dark as the first pencil. So that's the difference between different pencils. They all have different qualities, and the difference in intensity can be very different between different pencils. Let's try True Blue from Prismacolor. It rolls so softly, so pleasantly. I cannot express it. No comparison with budget pencils. But does it make a difference in color and visual appearance in general? That's a good question. You are the ones to decide. As you can see, I'm doing a few cross sections. So I shade it in one direction, then in another direction, gradually building up the tone. And now let's try to do the lightest bead. Very, very gentle. And now let's see how this pencil is going to show itself in the darkest, brightest mode. As you can see, True Blue from Prismacolor and blue from Bone are very similar in their qualities. True Blue is also capable of a much more intense color, much more intense tone. And also you can see that the tone produced by True Blue from Prismacolor is brighter than the one from Bone. That's the reason why you have to check all your pencils, see all their qualities. As you can see in Prisma, it's the same company, the same manufacturer, but different pencils have different qualities. Some are capable of a very bright result and some are not capable. So when you would make your choices for art projects, it will be important.